Kirti Singh, if you observe 23rd Jan 5-minute VSA from 2:25 p.m. bar, also observe the delta. There was so much delta in last 1 hour, and they got so little, they never really got out till now. Any comments? 23rd Jan. Alright, so what you are saying, 2:25. This is a 3-minute VSA chart, so I would not like to disturb that, but somewhere here you are saying also observe that so much delta in last 1 hour, they got so little and they never really got out till now. Any comments? Got out of what? I am not really able to understand, like what exactly are you trying to say? Let's take this last hour of trading. What are you trying to say about this? Who was not able to get out? The sellers, the buyers? What exactly? You need to specify a little bit, just a little bit of clarification. Sellers, okay, so you are saying that let's say this last hour of trading, sellers who sold here were not able to get out. What makes you say that? Why would they not get out here or here? Because these rallies, these look like short covering rallies because they had no continuation. This also fizzles out, this also next day no continuation comes down. So obviously higher prices are used by sellers to sell. That is smart money sellers. These are laggard sellers. This rally I believe was caused because of this only. Now if you are wondering why there is so heavy delta and so much of volume, now usually if you look at the volume chart, you will see that there is a very high liquidity at the start of the day. It falls down and then there is a very high liquidity at the end of the day. These are many times positions that are trying to get out of the market. They are trying to close their position, they are giving up, they are exasperated. Let's say they bought here and now they say no, maybe next day will fall even more, so let me get out of my long, so they are selling. That creates this lot of negative delta. All right, so there are many reasons why this delta can be negative. Just because the delta is negative does not mean that sellers are strong and sellers are going to smash it. No. What happened the next day? Okay, there were a lot of sellers got in. They might have been laggard sellers, they tried to sell. Do you really think smart money will allow them to make money? No, they won't, unless the situation is so bearish that smart money cannot even afford a small pullback day. In that case, okay, but then there has to be some really really strong external news event or geopolitical event that is triggering that move. Otherwise they will kill those. So lots of trading happening here, you believe there were a lot of sellers, they were all taken out here. And who were taken out? Let's say smart money, even smart money sold here. Do you really think this rally will scare them? Because they are not taking all their positions here, they have positions all throughout the fall that was happening, and they have hedges and everything. So it's not going to happen like smart money got late in the day and then they were taken out. No, it's not like that. Even if a small portion of their position is established here, they're not going to exit it here, they probably will average it here, and then somewhere in the middle they will get out of this position and this position, and then the market rallies, and then if they see that okay, not enough buying is coming in, they'll probably sell, or they will even still wait. They'll see some follow through and see what kind of buying comes in here. If not enough buying is coming in here, then they will pile on to their shorts again. So there are multiple ways they are going to monitor the markets and try and take their positions. All right.